Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of making $100 a day using the incredible power of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll guide you through proven strategies and AI tools that can transform your earning potential. If you're ready to unlock a new era of financial success, stay tuned as we dive into the world of AI-powered profits. First, we'll provide an overview of how AI can help you generate income. We'll discuss the various ways AI is transforming industries and enabling individuals to tap into its potential. Get ready to discover how AI can become your powerful ally in making $100 a day. One of the most exciting AI applications is automated trading. We'll guide you through the process of using AI algorithms to make profitable trades in the financial markets. Learn about trading platforms, tools, and strategies that can help you generate consistent income with minimal effort. Did you know that AI can assist you in content creation? We'll explore AI-powered writing tools that can generate engaging blog posts, articles, and social media content. Discover how to leverage these tools to create high-quality content faster and more efficiently, attracting more readers and potential clients. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data can unlock profitable opportunities. We'll delve into predictive analytics and discuss how you can make informed decisions based on AI-generated insights. Learn how to leverage data-driven strategies to identify trends, optimize your business, and boost your earning potential. Virtual assistants powered by AI is transforming the way businesses operate. We'll explore how you can offer virtual assistant services or utilize AI chatbots to streamline customer support and sales processes. Discover how to automate tasks, save time, and increase your earning potential through AI-powered virtual assistants. In the digital age, effective marketing is crucial for success. We'll discuss how AI can revolutionize your online marketing efforts. Explore AI-driven tools that can optimize your social media campaigns, target the right audience, and maximize conversions. Get ready to supercharge your marketing and boost your income. Freelancing platforms are integrating AI to connect freelancers with suitable projects. We'll explore AI-powered platforms that match your skills with clients, increasing your chances of securing high-paying gigs. Discover how AI can help you find consistent freelance work and reach your $100 a day goal. AI-based marketplaces are emerging as lucrative platforms to generate income. We'll explore these marketplaces, where you can offer AI-related services or even sell AI-generated products. Learn how to tap into these specialized marketplaces and monetize your AI expertise. Once you start making $100 a day using AI, it's time to scale your business. We'll provide tips and strategies on expanding your AI-powered income streams. From outsourcing tasks to collaborating with other AI enthusiasts, we'll guide you on the path to increasing your daily earnings. Congratulations! You've now learned the key steps to making $100 a day using AI. Remember, success in AI-powered earning requires continuous learning, experimentation, and adaptability. Start implementing these strategies today and embark on your journey to financial freedom. What AI-powered method excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on leveraging AI for financial success. Together, let's unleash the power of AI and achieve our $100 a day goal. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. With AI as your ally, making $100 a day is within your grasp. Embrace the power of artificial intelligence, explore new opportunities, and unlock a future filled with financial abundance. Until next time, keep harnessing the power of AI and achieving your dreams.